So I've been promising to review a retailer, and today we're going to review the retailer that sends stuff in the prettiest little bag I ever seen. By the way, gentlemen, if you're a man watching this, you may want to keep this away from your wife unless you want her to run a bill, because this site just sent the cutest little bags, and the name of the site is Pretty Little Thing. And the kind of clothes they sell is budget clothes. Now, we all know that Shein is the granddaddy of cheap clothes, but Pretty Little Thing rivals Shein. Could we put the URL somewhere down here? Right. All right. Yep. It's prettylittleThing.com, and I'm gonna give you some honorable mention that are like Pretty Little Thing. Rumwe, let's put the URL again, because I don't know. Put a URL down here because I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's ROMWE. There's another one called Boohoo that's more like Shein than it is like Pretty Little Thing. Hang on a second here. Let me go to Pretty Little Thing website and let me show you the kind of stuff that they sell. Yeah, as you can see here, they sell real nice ladies' clothes. Decent quality. The price is right as well, much like Shein. But the next one that I want to talk about, the bags are so nice. I don't want to flip the other side of it because it has the customer information. This is going out. I just cover our shipping label here with a blank label. The other site that I want to mention is one called Boohoo. We'll put the URL right here again that you could check out, that sell real nice ladies' clothes. The next one is Misguided. They sell nice ladies' clothes. Put the URL right here again for those who want to see it. There is Fashion Nova. We get a lot of Fashion Nova stuff. We get more Shein than we do anything else, but we get, let's put Shein URL here for those people who don't know it, who are new. I'm going to mention some more here, but before I get into doing that, let me mention a couple of things. If you're new with us, the protocol is you shop online today. You don't shop as guests. Make sure you create an account. You shop online today. Tomorrow you go. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. Tomorrow you go and grab a tracking number. You do a shipping alert. If you don't know what a shipping alert is, contact us and let us know that you just bought something and you don't know what a shipping alert is and you need to do one. Nothing happens without a shipping alert. It's not just telling us that something is on the way. When you do a shipping alert, you also generate an invoice number and a tracking number. And so we can't print a label and put on your package to ship it unless you do a shipping alert. And we're talking about discount ladies' clothes, nice quality, decent quality for the price that you're paying, right? So Rue 21, and we have Forever 21 again that sells good quality ladies' clothes. Now, as far as this thing is concerned, it's my gimbal. This phone is off, the gimbal is off. Should I turn it on? Let me turn it on and show you kind of what it does when it turns on. So this thing here is what we use to shoot all those nice videos. If you don't know that we have like a ton load of videos on our social media, please go ahead and check it out. Let me shut it off. Please go ahead and check it out. Check out our social media. Or Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or WhatsApp. Or WhatsApp status or YouTube. We're constantly uploading video. Check it out. Please add us to your WhatsApp contacts so you may see these wonderful videos when we post them on the status as well. Go check out Pretty Little Things, ladies. They sell some real nice stuff for a reasonable price. Thank you for watching. We'll do more production videos like this in the near future. Oh yeah, and last but not least, I forget to mention, I'm going to cover the customer's information with my hand. If you have kids and you want to find great deal on stuff for kids, the Children's Place is a great place to start. Check out their site. They have a lot of stuff for boys and girls, priced reasonably. So check out a place for children. Give them a surf and see if they match up to what you're looking for.